Now this is the last video of your chapter matrices. I'm explaining you a few more questions on multiplication. Now I'm taking up the 26th question of your exercise 8.3. The question says find xy if minus 2, 0, 3, 1 multiplied to the matrix minus 1, 2x plus 3 matrix minus 2, 1 is equal to twice matrix y3. Now first we are going to do the multiplication. Now you see that the number of columns of the first matrix, 2 columns are there, and there are 2 rows in the second matrix. So multiplication is possible. Now minus 2 will be multiplied with minus 1 and it becomes 2. And 0 will be multiplied with 2x. That becomes 0. So you have the element A11 as 2 only. Now this is the element of the first row, first column. As you do not have the second column of the second matrix, we are going to now switch over to the second row. Elements of the second row will be multiplied to the elements of the first column. 3 will be multiplied now with minus 1. That will be minus 3. And 1 will be multiplied to 2x. It will become plus 2x. So this is the matrix after multiplication. Plus multiply 3 with both the elements. It will be minus 6 and 3 is equal to 2 will be multiplied with the matrix. It will become 2y and 6. Now on the left hand side, 2 again the addition of the matrices. 2 minus 6 will be minus 4. Minus 3 plus 2x plus 3, when you add, 3 will cancel out. And you will be left with 2x when you add is equal to 2y and 6 matrix. Now according to equality, minus 4 will be equal to 2y, which implies 2 will be divided. Y is equal to minus 4 upon 2, that is minus 2. And the second equation will be 2x is equal to 6. Second equation for x is equal to 6 upon 2, 3. So this is how you are going to find the value of x and y. So I have taken this question from your exercise. It is question number 26. Now I am going to take the question which is totally different till now what we were doing. Before explaining that question, I want to tell you one rule regarding the matrices. Suppose you have a matrix A of the order m by n, and you are multiplying with matrix B. Now, number of columns of the matrix A are n. So in order to do the multiplication, the number of rows of the second matrix should also be n. That is same. Otherwise, I told you multiplication is not possible. So if columns are n for A, then rows will also be n for the matrix B. It has to be same. Now I'm taking the order of B as n by P. Now what will you find? That in the product AB, what will be the order? It will be the order MP, M by P. Now the rows of the columns of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second matrix. The rows of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the product, and columns of the second matrix is equal to the column of the product. This is how you get the order of the product. Now on this formula, which is there regarding the order, I'm taking up now the question number 30th of your exercise, which says, I'm taking the 30th question, and you get such type of questions in boards also, which says matrix M is multiplied to 1 1 0 2, and the product is after multiplication 1 2, where M is a matrix. Now they are asking you to find in the first part, state the order of the matrix M. So you have to tell the order, and with the concept which I have explained above, you are going to find the order. First you will say, for the first part, let order of M be A by B. Now I am going to write the order for all. First matrix is having the order A by B of M. It is multiplied to the matrix which is having the order 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2 is equal to the order of the matrix of the product is, there is only one row and two columns, that is 1 by 2. It is of the product. It is of 1 2, and this is of 1 1 0 2. Now use the concept which I have explained you above. Columns of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second. It means the value of B is 2. And the rows of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the product. It means the value of A is 1. And the column of the second matrix is equal to the column of the product, which is already given the same 2. So now value of A is 1, as you see. Value of B is 2. So what will you write? You are going to write the answer of the first part. First write like this. Make the arrows like this. Make a diagram for it and make the arrows like it. You will say A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. Therefore, order of M is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer of the first part. Now in the second part, you have to find the matrix M. Now you have to make your own matrix of the order 1 by 2. It should have one row and two columns. So in this, for the second part, you will write let M is equal to, now don't use the letters A and B because we have already used it for the order. Let M is equal to one row and two columns, M, X, Y. This is the matrix M of the order 1 by 2. Now we are going to do its multiplication with the given matrix. M is to be written first. I am replacing this M by the matrix. I am writing for it the matrix M, which is XY. Now the concept is multiply the first row with the first column. What you will get? X into 1, X, plus Y into 0, 0. Now for the element A12, first row with second column. X into 1, X. Y into 2 plus 2Y. This will be the X multiplied with 1, Y multiplied with 2 gives you the complete element X plus 2Y. Now you do not have any second row of the first matrix, so your multiplication is complete. This is equal to given 1, 2. Again use the equality of matrices, make the corresponding elements equal. X is equal to 1. X plus 2Y is equal to 2. Now X is equal to 1. We have calculated X. Now in order to find Y, substitute X as 1, which we have calculated, plus 2Y is equal to 2. Then transpose 1, it will become 2Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to half. This is the value of Y. Now don't leave your answers in X and Y. Our second part is find the matrix M. And we have taken the matrix M as XY. So at the end, write again. Tell the matrix what is your matrix M. Therefore, M is equal to, substitute the values of X and Y, which is 1 half. Now this is the final step by which your answer will be complete. So therefore M is 1 half. So this is how you are going to do question number 31, 32. They are also based or of the same type. Question number 35. It is also of the same type. So this finishes the last exercise of your matrices and the chapter is complete. I will be sending you the assignment. Complete the chapter and I'll take up the problems on Monday.